Hello there, welcome to another YouTube video. I know we have not made a video on Mad Marlowe Destruction for a while, but we are here. So right here I have this flip phone. The screen looks fine, right? Well, you see here, off camera, I kind of murdered the thing, if you turn it on. Yeah, I kind of murdered the phone, so we will be smashing it today. The phone works completely fine on the inside, but it's just the screen is completely broken. In case if you're wondering, I banged it against my knee a bunch of times and then it caused this to happen, so the screen on the inside is cracked, but as you can see, the phone lights up and it still works on the inside. There was the tone, as you heard, and also the back display right here, it's cracked and it also has some water in it because I drenched it in this phone in water one time. But if you're curious, yes, the front display is also broken. So today we will be smashing this phone in certain ways. Enjoy. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to straight up yeet this phone right in the air and see what will happen. So 3, 2, 1. Oh. Let's check it out. Alright, so looking here, the battery and the back cover came off, but let's check. Oh, wow. Part of the glass is missing on the front display, and let's check out the inside of the phone. What the inside of the phone is still completely fine, but let's see if it still works. All right, you know what? Because why not? We'll throw this phone up in the air one more time, and we'll do it with it open because last time we did it when it was closed. So let's do it when it's open. 3, 2, 1. Oh, geez. All right, so once again, battery and the back cover came off. Once again, the front display is not cracked at all. But will it still work, though? That is the question. I'll go over in the shade and turn it on. All right, so here we are. Let's see if the phone will still turn on. It vibrated, and it still works. We're good to go. All right, next idea that I have is we have the phone right here, and I have a golf club. I wonder what would happen if I just straight up whack the screen like that. It has to crack, like literally. Let's do it though. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, come look at this. I hit the thing. The phone is right here. It's kind of cracked. But what I really wanted to show you is if we go over here, the battery is all the way over here. I don't know if this thing will still work, though. Like, look, the screen is starting to pop out. If it does work, the screen may not work. Let's see that. Oh! Okay, the screen still works, but it's completely demolished. Dang. Alright, so we have it set back up right there. Somehow the screen's still working, but we will whack it again. Oh. Let's check this out. Alright, I took the battery out and put it back in. Let's see if it still works. Nope. I think it's dead. I put the battery in the right way, and I don't feel any vibrations. It's not lighting up. Yeah, I think I killed it. Yeah, I'm sorry to break the news, but this thing is dead. You know what, let's get some good use out of this phone now. Oh, there goes this green and the bottom. Somehow this screen is not shattering. I don't understand why. Just crack, crack. Oh, shoot. Here's the keypad right here. And we're just gonna... Oh, the heck is this? It's something. Whoa. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, please, so you can get a sub from Subway, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.